Jai Guruji Sangaji, before starting the satsang, let's do mantra chanting. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Sangaji, in every satsang, I especially tell all of you to drink Jal Prasad and apply Chandan Tilak and use Ghee Prasad. Ghee Prasad means that whatever ghee you purchase, first offer it at Guruji's feet and then use it. Then that's what I call Ghee Prasad. These three lines are present in almost all of my satsang. Many of you might have noticed this. These are not just three simple lines, they are actually the only solution to solve many problems in life. That is why I repeat them in every satsang. I try my best to explain them properly, especially for the new Sangat who have recently joined, so that they understand how important these three things are. Some people may feel bored hearing the same lines again and again, but the reason is that they are extremely important. Some people take these things lightly. Even I used to think in the beginning, what difference will this make? But I realized later that this is not something small. If you are sick, medicines alone may not work as fast, but when you also connect with Guruji and follow these things, the solution becomes more permanent. I have personal experience that when you connect with Guruji, speak to him, sometimes the effect can even be faster than a medicine. So please don't take these things lightly. Try to connect with Guruji as much as possible. Try to talk to him and share whatever is going in your mind. And it's not important that you must take a bath first and sit in a temple to connect with him. No, I know that nowadays life is very busy. Some people don't have time, some have small babies, some have to manage both home and outside work. Some are single parents, some people have big families and lot of responsibilities. But connecting with Guruji doesn't require a special place. You don't have to sit only in a temple or in the prayer area at home. Even while doing work, you can talk to him and try to connect with him. If you feel that you can't find time to sit peacefully, then simply pray to Guruji to give you that time. Gradually, things will solve on their own. And most importantly, to do mantra chanting as much as possible. You can chant while work, cooking, cleaning, or while doing any work. Mantra chanting is the strongest weapon to destroy many problems, whether it's jealousy, confusion, or a mental struggle. So, mantra chanting is very, very important for every individual. Many people don't know the power of mantra chanting. Some people think it's just a mantra and nothing more. But from my personal experience, the more you chant, the more work on yourself. Some people follow astrology, but when you do mantra chanting regularly, your planets automatically become balanced. So please do mantra chanting, drink Guruji Jal Prasad and apply Chandan Tilak where you feel there is a problem. Fix Jal Prasad with Chandan Tilak and keep chanting. By doing mantra chanting, you can gain control over many difficulties in life. There are many situations people face in life. Every individual had different problems. Some children cannot control their anger. Some children become very hyper and react strongly over small things. In such situations, you should do mantra chanting and pray to Guruji that everything remains peaceful and no disturbance happens. For example, I will share an incident from yesterday. Yesterday, my mother had gone somewhere. My younger sister wanted to go with her, but my mother they didn't allow her because she had already taken many leaves from work and my mother wanted her to go to the office regularly. My sister likes to maintain a certain lifestyle and spends a lot so many my mother didn't want her to face any financial or work problems. My mother left without telling her. When my sister come home, she usually get very hyper and start shouting loudly, so loudly that even neighbors can hear. At that moment, I prayed to Guruji and said, Guruji, please let her remain calm and not shout. And exactly that happened. She just said a few words softly and then became quiet. She went inside the house and created no problem, went to sleep peacefully. But my younger brother started shouting later because I hadn't prayed about him. I did not even think he would get angry. That's why I say that you should pray and chant mantras. Did not sit in the temple or light any lamp. I was just sitting on my bed and spoke to Guruji like we speak to a normal person. When we talk to normal people, our mind may feel lighter. but they cannot solve our problems. But when we speak to Guruji, even a small conversation makes our mind light and problems also get solved. So connect with Guruji. The more you talk to him, the share your life with him, the more solution you will receive. Even if you feel that there is no one in your life with whom you can share your problems, you can tell everything to Guruji without hesitation. Don't feel shy. Whatever in your heart, you can say it freely. And always remember, mantra chanting is your strongest weapon. Use it to fight jealousy, comparison, anger, and every negative emotion. You can even treat mantra chanting like a form of yoga. While exercising, doing daily activities, or working, keep chanting. Some people suffer from body pain, illness, or sleeplessness. Everyone faces different problems in life, but whatever your situation is, keep chanting the mantra and you will find the solution. Sometimes children cannot focus on studies or feel headache while studying. During exams, they may faces problems. In such cases, also keep doing mantra chanting and pray to Guruji. If your child doesn't chant, you can chant on their behalf. That's also equally powerful and bring results. Just continue chanting and regularly you will start seeing the results yourself. With this, I end today's satsang. Please focus on mantra chanting and practice this daily. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Dhan Dhan Guruji, Jai Jai Guruji, Vah Vah Guruji. And one more important thing, if you also want to share your divine satsang, there's a WhatsApp number in the description box. You can share your satsang there. You can send either an audio satsang or written satsang. For audio satsang, first save my number, then record your satsang like a voice message and send it to that number. For written satsang, write your experience, what happened with Guruji, and what your experience was. Then take a photo and send it to that number. I'm explaining this especially for those who are not familiar with using phones. With this, I end today's satsang. We will meet again with another satsang. Thank you.